Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Gmail sync error. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go to the Google Play Store into your device, and after that use the search bar at the top, and after that just simply search for the Gmail and just simply select Gmail and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open, and just simply select the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Another option that you have is just simply open up the Gmail app, and from here just simply select your profile icon on the top right corner and go for the manage accounts on this device, and just simply turn off the auto sync data and just simply select OK, and just simply turn it back on and select OK in order for you to refresh it. And in order for you to go to one account, just simply select one account and just simply select sync account and make sure to sync everything over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.